Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE, and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
ह्या बस स्टँडाचेर तुमी आतां एंट्रन्स करतना तुमी पळोवंक शकता हांगा गार्बेज उडयलेली आसा. हांगा वायन स्टोराची शॉपां आसा. तेंचो बिझनस तो बरें आहा, पण हांगासर जे ऑलमोस्ट ते ड्रिंक घेवन हांगा लिकर पिवतात आनी बाटल्यो हांगाच उडयतात. इल्लीगल हांगासर एक शॉप बांदप आहा. बस स्टँडाच्या भितून जे प्लॅटफॉर्म क्रमांक 5 आहा, त्या प्लॅटफॉर्म क्रमांक 5ची पार्टीच काडून तेंच्यांनी उडयलेली आहा आनी थंय कोणाक तरी ते टी स्टॉल करून दिता. एक बस स्टँडाचेर कदंबा म्हापशा बस स्टँड आहा पळय, तेजेर ऑलरेडी पंचगंगा हेजे व्हडलें कॅन्टीन आहा.
One is there is insufficient handrails, there is insufficient differential marking on the ground to help physically and visually disabled people. Also, certain fire exits are not demarcated at all, and so this whole place could cause a fire risk. The turning radiuses to enter and exit the bus stand are insufficient. Further, the parking bays inside the bus stand need to be clearly demarcated. Right now, people are just running across the road. They can get run over by a bus, they can get run over by a car. There are no semblance of pedestrian crossing.
There 15 departments were called, and therefore what we are doing is we are plotting all the recommendations, suggestions that are there, because collector has said that now this report has to be compiled because of the funding that is required or finance that is required. Most of the issues are issues which can be resolved purely by involvement of all the stakeholders. The shopkeepers also can be involved, the taxi owners can be involved, the rickshaw owners can be involved in this. But everybody should be given a responsibility. The biggest problem, there is no depot manager here. There is no bus stand manager. And therefore, they are trying to regulate the things from Polori. It is unacceptable. As we have seen today, the fire hydrants also have been stolen. Okay, there is a problem of demarcation between the property of Kadamba Transport Corporation and the property of Moxa Municipal Council. Today, if you see, there is a pay parking board there. There is no notice of the rates. We are therefore of the opinion that if there is a quarterly joint meeting between them, this matter can be resolved in a systematic way.